What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray, and today I am just going to be doing a quick review on the As I Am Restore and Repair line. So real quick, I just washed my hair. If you didn't see my previous video where I did the pre-poo, I'll link it up here. So I did that pre-poo, and then I went in and I washed my hair, and I co-washed it with the As I Am Restore and Repair Co-Wash. And I've talked about this co-wash before. The first time I used it, I didn't care for it. The next time I used it, I really liked it, and I still like it. I think it has a lot of slip. I think it cleanses your hair. It doesn't make it feel overly soft and supple, like maybe it's not cleansed. It does feel cleansed, but it still has a lot of slip, so you can get through those tangles and everything. So I really do like this co-wash. It has an okay smell. It's not bad. It has a kind of a sticky consistency to it that you kind of have to get used to, but once you get past that, I think that you'll like it. So if you like any of the other As I Am co-washes, you will probably love this one as well. So that's that. After I co-washed, I went in with the Restore and Repair Moisturizing Mask from the same line. And it's almost gone. I actually used this mask 2 or 3 times. It has a nice sweet smell to it as well. Kind of thick, but not too thick. More sticky again than really thick. But it does go into your hair pretty easily. I will say that I don't feel like this mask is over moisturizing. You know, sometimes you'll put a deep conditioner in and you can just really feel your hair nice and soft and supple. I don't necessarily get that with this. But again, it does go onto your hair. You are able to kind of still run your fingers through your hair if you have any last minute tangles in there. So that's good. I did sit under the dryer with it. And when I got from under the dryer and rinsed my hair out, my hair felt it felt okay. It didn't feel really soft and supple and over moisturizing. When I looked at it, it didn't look nice. My curls didn't look nice and plumped or anything like that. So to me, this is just an okay deep conditioner. Now I will say that once I put the leave-in in my hair and I style it, my hair feels moisturized. So it could be these two together doing it. I don't know. I just feel like there's a certain feeling I like to get from my hair with a deep conditioner, and I don't necessarily get it with this. So this has Jamaican black castor oil in it. It's vitamin C, vitamin E. So that's pretty much what's in it. I'm not going to read the ingredients. For one, they are in gold and they're very little, so it's hard to see. So if you guys want to know what's in it, feel free to go online and you know, it'll tell you online. But I'm going to say that that's not going to be one of my favorite deep conditioners. So yeah, so you know, when I rinsed it out, my hair felt okay. It didn't feel like really soft and moisturized to me. So then I went in with the Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in conditioner, again, it does not give you that silky feeling. You know, when you put in a leave-in conditioner, like I love the Camille Rose coconut water leave-in conditioner. Makes your hair just feel really good and soft. I love the Miche leave-in, the way it makes my hair feel. There's a lot of leave-ins that I really like the way my hair feels when I first put it in. I don't get that with this either. This leave-in conditioner is more like a lotion. It really comes off to me as a milk type consistency, more lotiony type versus a leave-in, like I said, the coconut water, or you know, the texture of the As I Am leave-in that I really like. The texture is a little bit different, so it goes on more creamy or lotiony, so it doesn't have that same slip appeal to me for my hair. So when I was putting it on, I felt like I'm not sure if I was going to get the moisture that I needed out of it, but I will say that I used this a week ago when I styled my hair in the wash and go, and I said that it lasted 6 days. When I was pre-pooing, I was saying I washed my hair 6 days ago, and the definition was still there, and the moisture was still there a little bit. Of course, it was getting dry. It was time to re-moisturize, wet it, wash it, and things of that sort. But the moisture lasted longer than I thought it would, and I did not re-moisturize my hair throughout that week at all. I didn't even use the Camille Rose Curl Love and scrunch it in my hair like I normally do. I didn't feel like I needed to do that. So that's a testament to these products. So I do feel like after the fact, they give you the moisture, but when you're initially putting them on your hair, they're very deceiving. You don't feel like you're getting the moisture. At least I didn't. I didn't feel like I was getting the moisture. So I wanted to try them again today before I did a review. That's why I didn't do a review last week. I wanted to try them again today to see if I get that same result. And I do. I get the same result where my hair feels, you know, somewhat soft and moisturized. And I use the exact same styling, and this is what my hair looks like today. I still got great definition in my hair. Now, what I will say, that I think that this leave-in conditioner flakes, and because I did get a few flakes in the last wash and go, not immediately, but as the days went on, I had got a few, you know, little flakes in certain areas, not to the point where people could see it and it was moving out everywhere, but I could see it in my close up in my hair. I noticed it again today now, and I'm saying it's this because I've used this, I've talked about it, and I haven't gotten flakes with this with other things that I've used it with. So the only thing that changed was this, and it's not because I co-washed, because last time I used these products, I shampooed, cleansed my hair with the shampoo first, then I went in with the moisturizing co-wash, the deep conditioner, and then this. So my hair was clean that time too, but I didn't want to shampoo again so soon, so I just co-washed this time. But anyway, so I do think that this flakes a little bit. I haven't used it with anything else. These 2 times were my only 2 times using this, so I will try it again with other things to make sure. But I know for a fact that it flakes a little bit with this. Not enough to where you can see it. I don't think it's even coming off on camera. If it is, I'll see it when I edit, or you can tell me below. But I just notice it in certain areas of my hair. So will this be a staple? I don't think that these will be a staple. I like the co-wash. I may go ahead and continue to get the co-wash here and there if I can't find the original As I Am co-wash or my Eden's Body Works co-wash. You know, I like that. So I will continue to get the co-wash. I don't know that I'll continue to get these because I'm just not sure how I feel about them from start to finish. So I am going to, let me see, I have probably one more, it's almost gone. So I probably have one more deep condition with this, and I got some more, the leave-in is about right to here, so I got some more time to use this leave-in with other things. So I'll see how I feel about it when I use it with something else, but this is just an initial review. I would say try it. If you've seen it and you've been wondering about it, I say try it for you. Now, if you're like me and you like your hair to feel a certain way, initially putting it on you may not get that feel that you're looking for. I didn't. Some people love this. Sheree Del Sol, she got on here and she said it was the most moisturizing products that she's tried in a long time. So she loves it. You know, it could have something to do with climate at the time and everything else. I don't know, but it's not a favorite like that for me. That it's not gonna be, this is the most moisturizing thing that I've felt in a long time. It's not that for me, but it's not bad. Like I said, I was able to go without moisturizing my hair, so that is a good thing. Some of that could be attributed to this and attributed to, you know, the co-wash, and just that my hair is, you know, just retaining moisture a little bit better. I don't know, or it really could be this, but I will know by the time I use these up. I'm gonna know for sure if it's this, and if it is, I will come back and I will say this stuff is moisturizing. So we're gonna see how long I get with this wash and go. If it's another 5 days without me having to go in and re-moisturize, then hey, that's a good thing. These are the results that I got from these products. So hopefully I've answered all your questions. If I haven't, leave it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them. If you like this video and you like my content, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you're following me over on Instagram. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.